Hi, I'm Janesh Patel. I'm the CEO of UptimeHealth. I hope these videos you're about to watch are going to help you understand how you can use UptimeHealth to automate your facilities and equipment management for your practice. Let us know if you have any questions. We're looking forward to helping you in the future. Today, I'm excited to show you one of the features we just launched called Facilities Management. What we heard from our clients as well as our prospects is they would like one place to manage repair and service issues related to their equipment, as well as repair and service issues related to the buildings that they manage. So we did that. So what I'll show you is how to actually use that product today. Here, when somebody logs into Uptime Health, they're already put into a screen where they can see all the locations that they currently have in their group. If it's 1, if it's 1,000, you can see it here. And in this section, what you're now able to do is go to this button and say, I want to create a job. And what we'll do, it'll ask you, do you want to create a job on a device or a job on an area? If it's a device, it'll look through our platform for all the devices we already have assigned to that location, so you can easily pick the one you're looking for. Or if it's an area, since we know where the devices are in that building, we already have a concept of areas of your locations. But if you want to add any more, you could do that in the facilities profile. But here you can say, I want to request service on my operatory 1 in this building and start creating job. And then it will eventually take you to the same process that you do for a device. So it feels and looks similar. So there's little to no extra training for your team. So you can say, I want to repair, ceiling tile, needs replacement. It's medium criticality. We already know who your technician group is, and you hit create request. Once that happens, it's launched into the profile of that service vendor so they can start managing it. And you and your team can now track it just like you will with a device repair. Also, you can come in here in the service request sections and you can see all the open issues for your buildings and your equipment in one spot. I hope you really enjoyed this feature. We know our clients definitely do. Let us know if you'd like to learn more. Schedule them with us and our team. Thank you.